Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Introduction. Kids, geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry in English is equivalent to Greek word geometron, where geo means earth and metron means measurement. The geometrical idea shaped up in ancient times. Construction of magnificent palaces, temples, lakes, dams, and cities. Art and architecture popped up these ideas. Here, you will learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about shapes around you. Point. Take the sharp pencil. Now by the sharp tip of pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Well kids, this almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of point. A point determines a location. They are denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, etc. Line segment. Take a piece of paper, now fold it. And now unfold it. The fold on paper gives the idea of a line segment. Following are some of the models of line segment. A line. Imagine that a line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction. You now get a model for a line. A line through 2 points A and B is written as line AB. It extends indefinitely in both directions. So, it contains a countless number of points. Intersecting line. If two lines, L1 and L2, pass through point P, we say L1 and L2 intersect at P. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Following are some of the examples. Well, have you seen letter X of English alphabet? Of course you've seen. That's an example of intersecting line. And even crossing roads are an example of intersecting line. Parallel line. If two lines in a plane do not meet each other, then those lines are parallel lines. I'll give you an example. Opposite edges of ruler, crossbars of window, rail track, etc. Ray. A ray is the portion of a line. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in the other direction. Curve. A drawing, straight or non-straight, drawn without lifting the pencil is called a curve. Simple curve. Now kids, a simple curve is that which does not cross itself. Closed curve. A closed curve is made up of line segments only and is called a polygon. In closed curve, there are three parts. Now the number 1 is the interior of the curve. Number 2 is the boundary of the curve. Number 3 is the exterior of the curve. The interior of the curve along with its boundary is called its region. Sides, vertices and diagonals. Let us consider the figure as shown. Now this is a polygon. It is made up entirely of line segments. The line segment forming a polygon are called its sides. The meeting point of one pair of sides is called its vertex. Any two sides with common endpoint are called adjacent sides of the polygon. The endpoint of the same side of the polygon is called adjacent vertex. Pair of vertices which are not adjacent, once you join these vertices, they are called diagonals of the polygons. Angles. Angles are made when corners are formed. Now consider a door slightly open, making some angle with its frame. I'll tell you what, why don't you try it out? Why don't you open a door? You will realize that the door is making an angle with the frame, right? Well, an angle is made up of two rays starting from a common endpoint. Two rays forming the angle are called the arms or the sides of the angle. And the common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. No. Note that in specifying the angle, the vertex is always written as the middle letter. That is, if you see the above figure, angle AOB can be written as angle O. Triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. It is the polygon with least number of sides. From the figure, we draw a small triangle and write ABC instead of writing triangle ABC. Now you can see, kids, that triangle has three sides. The sides are line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment CA. Also the three angles are angle BAC, angle BCA and angle ABC. The points A, B and C are called the vertices of the triangle. Being a polygon, triangle has an exterior and an interior. Here, P is in the interior of the triangle and R, yes you're right, is in the exterior of the triangle. Hey kids, now let us learn about quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Now you know that the quadrilateral has four sides and four angles. Note the cyclic manner the vertices are named. In the figure, quadrilateral ABCD has four sides. Line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD and line segment DA. It has four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB and BC are the adjacent sides. Line segment AB and line segment DC are opposite sides. Angle D and angle B and angle A and angle C are opposite angles. And angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Circle. Kids, you must have seen your mothers wearing bangles. Take one bangle and trace around it to get a circular shape. Ramesh and Suresh want to make a circular garden in front of their house. Now to do that, they took 2 sticks and a piece of rope. Fix one stick into the ground. Let this be the center of the proposed circular park. Form 2 loops, one at the each end of the rope. Now place one loop around the stick at center. Put the another loop around the other stick. Keep the stick vertical to the ground. Keep the rope taut all the time and trace the path. Both the children shouted, "Hooray! It is a circle!" Thus, a circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Naturally, every point on the circle is at equal distance from the center. Let us study some parts of a circle. Here is a circle with center C and A, P, B, M are the points on the circle. Here you will see that CA is equal to CP, which is equal to CB, which is equal to CM. Each segment CA, CP, CB, CM is the radius of the circle. A line segment passing through the center and joining 2 points P and M is known as its diameter. Now join P and B, and then PB is the chord of the circle. An arc is a portion of a circle. Let us consider PQ as small portion of a circle, known as arc PQ of the circle. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other 2 sides is called a sector. A region in the interior of a circle enclosed by a chord and an arc is called the segment of the circle. The distance around a circle is its circumference. Hey kids, take a circular paper and fold it into 2 equal parts. And then open it. Then the line is diameter of a circle which divides the circle into 2 equal parts, and each part is known as semicircle.